I'm Lee Hassler. I'm an architectural conservator with the firm Materials Conservation, and I am also a graduate of the University of Virginia. I think it goes without saying, but the stewardship of this site is really close to my heart. This is really where it all began for me in terms of my interest in architectural history and architecture. I have a lot of personal memories here on the lawn, and I also have a deep respect for the architecture here. It is truly amazing to me how this site connects with so many different people on so many different levels. For me as a professional who works on historic buildings all the time, the coolest thing is that not only it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has managed to keep its functional integrity. So that means it's still being used as Jefferson originally intended it to, which is extremely rare. It's really a testament to the staff here, and the amount of energy and resources that go into making that happen is truly remarkable.